Are you looking for an awesome Ant-Man helmet to go with your cosplay? Today we're going to be reviewing the Ant-Man Marvel Legends Replica helmet by Hasbro. Let's do this. Hi, Tracy here from Astrocyte Cosplay. We are beginner cosplayers who want to share reviews, tutorials and tips to either help you get into cosplay or level up your cosplays. If this interests you, consider subscribing. If you've been following our Ant-Man and the Wasp Cosplay series, you know I made a Wasp Foam helmet. I also made an Ant-Man foam helmet using a template purchase from Raw Customs. I was trying this on as I went and I'm pretty impressed with how it's been looking, but as a beginner it can be very difficult to work out sizing of props and armour. When it came time, I tried this on Scott and guess what? It didn't fit his big head. So our event that was coming up where we wanted to cosplay as Ant-Man and the Wasp was getting too close and I didn't have time to either remake this or to resize it somehow. So we had to go out and purchase the Marvel Legends cosplay helmet to get us out of trouble. This was purchased from Zing in Australia. It's a nice silver coloured metal helmet with the red accents at the front as well as one on the back. It does have this gunmetal grey textured top to it. It does have some assembly required. You had to attach the antennas when you pulled it out of the box. It's a really good, high quality, sturdy replica helmet. And pretty accurate compared to that's shown in the movie. It does come with an adjustable bracket inside the helmet so you can fit it to the size of your head. This does fit Scott's head, but he did find after not wearing it for very long that it was putting a lot of pressure onto his temples. So he ended up pulling out the bracket and just putting some foam in from a yoga mat inside so that it fit more comfortably and it didn't wobble around on his head. There are red and blue LEDs in the antenna and the jawline. You just push the button once to show the red color and then another time to get the blue color. These are a nice little touch. It just adds a little bit more to the helmet. Will look great if you're doing some professional cosplay photos. It does require 2 AA batteries, which aren't supplied, so you do need to buy those when you're buying it. To be able to get in and out of the helmet easy, it has this back faceplate that lifts up so that you can get in and out. One of the complaints that we've had is that it actually doesn't stay shut very well. So when you're wearing it for cosplay, it can just open up while you're doing it. It probably would have been better with maybe some magnets or something in here if you were going to use it for cosplay. Question for cosplayers: what cosplay mistakes have you made? Leave a comment below. Overall, this is a great replica helmet and can definitely be used in your Ant-Man cosplays. It's looked awesome in the photos that we've taken so far and looks great with the Ant-Man suit that we purchased, which I'll link up in the card if you want to check out that review. It is quite heavy though, so it's been fine for photos, but I'm not sure how it's going to go at a con. I will probably try and either make a new Ant-Man foam helmet for him to wear to a con or somehow try to modify the foam one that I've already made. If you have any suggestions on how to modify that, leave a comment below. If you found this review helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Ant-Man Wasp costume. Oh, why can't I get that? Ant-Man cosplays. It's looked great, awesome. Leave a comment below.